Hello techies, this is CompTIA 15.2.5 and we're going to use the system command. So in this lab you will use some system command to explore the file system. Your task is to complete the following from Windows PowerShell in Windows 11 PowerShell. PowerShell is also referred to as the Windows terminal. Copy your file to a new folder, create a new folder in the E drive named graphics. Copy D drive /graphics/cat.jpg to the E drive /graphics folder. Use the NS lookup to query the DNS for the COP server using its full name, which is copserver.copnet.local. We're going to answer question 1. Use checkdix to answer the file system on the D drive data volume. Answer question 2. Use the GP updates to apply the latest group policy changes to your workstation. Use the GP result space /r to see which policies are applied to the workstation. And we'll go ahead and answer question 3. So the first thing we want to do is to go to the start menu and we'll locate the terminal. So here in the PowerShell terminal, we want to type in the E drive and press enter. We're going to type in dir, press enter, and here we're going to type in md space g graphics and press enter. And here we want to type in cd space graphics, press enter, and here we're also going to type in D drive, press enter, and here we're going to type in dir, press enter, and here we'll type in cd space graphics and press enter. So we copy space cat.jpg space E drive, press enter. Type in E drive and press enter, and dir, press enter, and here we're going to type in, let's check our answers and see what is left. Okay, so from the task that is left, we want to let's close this. Go here and want to open Windows PowerShell. Let's open Windows PowerShell, and here I want to type in ns lookup space cop server rather dot copnet dot local, press enter. So this is going to be 192.168.0.10. Go ahead and check answers. So we still have a couple of tasks left for us. We'll still run checkdix and the rest. So go ahead and we'll run checkdix. Space D drive, press enter. So go ahead and check answers. So run GP update. Okay, we want to make sure we take the task one by one so that we don't miss anyone. So we're going to run GP update, press enter, and GP results. See, so this is going to be deploy printers and default domain policy, high settings. Go ahead and check for our next task. Our next task is to run the task queue command. So let's minimize this. So you want to go to task manager, and under task manager we want to open this. We want to be seeing this so that we can work with it also. So here in the terminal you want to type in task queue. So task queue space /PID space 2105 and you press enter. So go ahead and check answers and see what is left. We're going to map the P drive and okay. So let's minimize this. Let's take this here. So here I want to type in net space use space P drive space // files / personnel, press enter. Then P drive, press enter. Then dir, press enter. Let's go over here and see. This is going to be 3. Let's check our answers and everything is correct. Let's go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you need a more explanatory videos that explains all of my action in this video, you might want to reach me through my email so that I can send those videos to you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.